In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can add mentions after posting on Instagram story. You can simply mention someone in your Instagram story after being public. To do this, simply open up your Instagram. Let's say you have already shared this story. To mention any account, you will have to tap on these three dots right here. Then select the option of Add Mentions. Select accounts you would like to mention in your story. Then tap on Add. Selected accounts will be mentioned in your story on Instagram successfully. They will also get notified that you mentioned them in your story. That's how easy it is to mention someone in your Instagram story after being public. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.